Ever wondered how to turn a field of lemongrass into a bottle of pure, potent essential oil? Today, we're going big, 100 liters big. We'll show you how to distill lemongrass oil on an industrial scale, transforming humble grass into liquid gold. Now that we've distilled our 100 liters of lemongrass oil, let's dive deep into its incredible medicinal properties and how to use this versatile oil for various health concerns. 1. Chronic pain management. Lemongrass oil is a potent natural analgesic and anti-inflammatory agent. 1. For those suffering from conditions like fibromyalgia or chronic back pain, here's a powerful remedy. Mix 10 drops of lemongrass oil with 2 tablespoons of carrier oil, like coconut or jojoba. Gently massage into affected areas twice daily. For enhanced effect, apply a warm compress after massage. Continue this regimen for at least 2-3 weeks for noticeable results. 2. Anxiety and depression relief. The calming properties of lemongrass oil make it effective for mental health. Create a personal inhaler. Add 15 drops of lemongrass oil to a blank inhaler stick. Use 3-4 times daily, taking deep breaths when feeling anxious, for a relaxing bath. Mix 10 drops with 1 cup of Epsom salts and add to warm bath water. Soak for 20-30 minutes, focusing on deep, calming breaths. 3. Digestive system support. Lemongrass oil can be a powerful ally for digestive issues. For general digestive support, mix 2 drops of lemongrass oil in 1 teaspoon of honey. Take this mixture 30 minutes before meals. For acute issues like bloating, mix 3 drops with 1 tablespoon of carrier oil and massage onto the abdomen in a clockwise direction. Repeat this process 2-3 times daily until symptoms subside. 4. Natural antimicrobial treatment. Harness the antibacterial and antifungal properties of lemongrass oil. For minor cuts and scrapes, dilute 2 drops in 1 teaspoon of witch hazel. Apply to the affected area with a clean cotton swab twice daily. For fungal infections like athlete's foot, mix 5 drops with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Apply to affected areas twice daily for at least 2 weeks. 5. Headache and migraine relief. Create a powerful headache relief blend. Mix 4 drops lemongrass oil, 4 drops peppermint oil, and 2 drops lavender oil with 1 tablespoon of carrier oil. Apply to temples, forehead, and back of neck at the first sign of a headache. Reapply every 2-3 hours as needed. For added relief, place a cool compress over the application areas. 6. Skin rejuvenation. Lemongrass oil can work wonders for your skin. Anti-aging serum. Mix 5 drops lemongrass oil, 3 drops frankincense oil, and 2 drops geranium oil in 1 ounce of rosehip seed oil. Apply a few drops to clean skin nightly. For acne, add 2 drops to your regular face wash or toner. Use consistently for at least 4-6 weeks to see significant improvements. 7. Natural fever reducer. While it shouldn't replace medical treatment for high fevers, lemongrass oil can provide comfort. Mix 3 drops lemongrass oil and 2 drops eucalyptus oil in 1 cup of cool water. Soak a soft cloth in this mixture and apply as a compress to the forehead, neck, and chest. Replace the compress every 15-20 minutes. Continue until fever reduces or comfort improves. 8. Potent insect repellent. Create your own natural bug spray. In a 4 ounces spray bottle, combine 20 drops lemongrass oil, 20 drops citronella oil, and 10 drops eucalyptus oil. Fill the rest with witch hazel or vodka. Shake well before each use and spray on exposed skin and clothing. Reapply every 2-3 hours or as needed. 9. Respiratory support. Lemongrass oil can help clear congestion and support respiratory health. Steam inhalation. Add 5 drops to a bowl of hot water. Cover your head with a towel and inhale the steam for 5-10 minutes. For a chest rub, mix 5 drops with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and apply to chest and back. 10. Energy booster. Combat fatigue naturally with lemongrass oil. Create an energizing room spray. In a 2 ounces spray bottle, mix 10 drops lemongrass oil, 5 drops peppermint oil, and 5 drops wild orange oil. Fill with water. Spray in your workspace or home when you need an energy boost. For a quick pick-me-up, place 1 drop on your palms, rub together, and inhale deeply. Remember, essential oils are potent and should always be used with care. Always perform a patch test before applying to larger areas of skin, and consult with a qualified aromatherapist or healthcare provider, especially if you have existing health conditions, are pregnant, or are taking medications. With these extensive remedies, you're now equipped to harness the full potential of your distilled lemongrass oil. From pain management to skincare, this versatile oil truly is nature's pharmacy in a bottle.